Hi, I'm Rob with SkidSteerSolutions.com, and I'm here with the Eterra Beachmaster. This is one of the world's first skid-steer mounted beach cleaner attachments. It's loaded with features. We have adjustable wheels that allow us to track on beaches of all types of terrain. We have removable, replaceable screens that are really easy to get to. Just have two knobs on either side. You can slide the screens out. We have a hopper. It holds 100 gallons. What happens is the material comes up through the screens, gets dropped in the hopper. As soon as the hopper fills, you have an indication right here because the operator can see right into the hopper. All he does is lifts it up, goes to the area where he wants to drop it, hits a button, opens the hopper, dumps out the material, and he's good to go. It's really easy to use, simple to maintain. All the bearings are sealed so that you don't put grease on them because you don't want to get grease dropped on your beach. So they're all sealed, lifetime bearings. There's really no maintenance as far as taking care of it. You just want to make sure you clean it off every night, especially if you're using it in the salt water areas. Check your tire pressures, that type of thing. But there really is nothing to take care of on this for the simple reason that all of the bearings, all of the surfaces are sealed permanently. Operation is simple. It uses your standard 1/2-inch flat face couplers on low flow circuit. It comes with a Skid Steer Genius supercontroller, which gives you your functions. Your hopper open and close, your wheels up and down, as well as a locking function to turn the motor on and leave it on. So you don't have to hold the button down the entire time you're operating it. The beauty of that is that you can turn the motor off and you can still run the hydraulics separately. So if you want to go and dump the hopper, you don't have to have the motor running. A lot of attachments make you still operate the motor so that the hydraulics are running through there so that you can operate the other functions. This does not. Everything runs independent. That's all part of the Skid Steer Genius design, as well as how the Beachmaster has been designed from Eterra. You can find the Beachmaster and other innovative Eterra attachments at SkidSteerSolutions.com.